the Idaho Roofing Contractors has been serving the Treasure Valley since 2001, that is, and an annual tradition is the Nominate Your Neighbor event. It's an opportunity to give away a roof to someone truly deserving. So we have right now with us Chris Newton, he's sales manager, and Levi Phillips, president from the Idaho Roofing Contractors. Great to have both of you. I was super excited when I heard about this program because it is such a heartfelt program in itself, right? I mean, we all know that a roof can be incredibly expensive, and it is, if not one of, or the most important part of a home, right? The roof over your head.
Yes.
Yeah, so tell us about the Nominate Your Neighbor program.
Yeah, so we started it about 5 or 6 years ago, and what we wanted to do was just give back to the community. And so we asked the Treasure Valley for a little bit of help. And what we need is for people out there that see other deserving people. That might be a first responder, it might be a veteran, it might be a teacher, it really could be anybody. Mm-hmm. We're just looking for the Treasure Valley to help us to find that person. And so that's what we wanted to do, was give back to the community, and this is our way that we could do that.
That's wonderful. How did this all start? Where did the seed kind of come from?
The seed came from just, Levi's ability to want to give back to the community. It's been a big part of Idaho Roofing Contractors, a big reason why I love working there. So like you said, came about 5, 6 years ago, and we've been partnering with local organizations and helping out the community.
Wonderful. So a very organic kind of beginning, if you will, just from the heart, right?
Yes, it's just
from the heart.
Yeah, just one of my passions that I love to give back. So
great.
This is one of the ways we can do it.
And let's talk about who is eligible to be nominated for this program.
So like he said, teachers, first responders, veterans, really anybody in the community that you feel is a deserving member to get a new roof, someone that's in need of a new roof and they may not have that financial ability to do it, we would love to help them out.
That's wonderful. Okay, so how does the nomination process work? Let's help out our viewers so they can make those nominations.
Yeah, so it's very simple. You can go to IdahoRoofingContractors.com and you could submit your nomination there. Tell us who this person is and why they deserve it. The other thing you can do is just phone us up, 208-921-7821.
Okay, so nice and simple, multiple ways that people can get that nomination in. What happens after the nomination's made? What's the process then?
So nominations, they opened June 1st, this last Saturday.
Okay.
They'll finish up July 31st of this year. And then from there, we'll go through all of the nominations. We do a vetting process to make sure that the right person is the right person to pick.
All right. Okay, is there a deadline to make sure that the nominations get in by?
Yes, July 31st.
July 31st.
Need to be in. The winner will be picked during August, and then the roof gets put on in September.
Okay, all right. So don't delay, because like you said, it opened on June 1st.
Yes.
Okay. So you got to do it now. Make that nomination. Think of that deserving person. We're talking about somebody that may already have a roofing issue. We all know it's a big ticket item, right?
Yes.
It might be struggling to get that roof fixed over their head. Such an essential part of quality of life, right? Because the minute something goes wrong with the roof, then there's a number of things that can be impacted in someone's home, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So make that nomination as mentioned. Just opened. Don't delay. You have until the 31st. There's multiple ways to make those nominations too. If people want to learn more about Idaho Roofing Contractors, in addition to making those nominations, where do they go?
Yeah, you can go to IdahoRoofingContractors.com and you can learn more about us. And again, that's the place you can also submit the nominee.
Wonderful. Levi, Chris, thank you both. Greatly appreciate you coming on here. And thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
It's wonderful to see nice things like this in our community. All right, everyone.